Hi. Here we made an attempt to overcome one of the important problems which currently the fabricators faces when they use a can like this to apply adhesive. The problem is the fabricator sits directly under the fan, and because of this reason the adhesive tends to get thicker over a period of time, and they had to throw away some portion of thickened adhesives in this form. So this way there is a lot of wastage, and at the same time when they apply, the adhesive tends to get thicker, so the drying time is very long. So here we try to make an attempt where the adhesive is completely concealed so that it is not directly exposed to air, and at the same time at the end of the cap we have a brush system. As the adhesive comes out, the brush will wipe away whatever adhesive that comes out to spread it evenly. This is the position to hold this cone, and as you touch the component, squeeze it a little bit so that the adhesive comes out, and the brush at the back wipes out continuously. If you want more, as you can see, the adhesive is already dried as you apply, because you are applying it very less, and at the same time the drying time is pretty quick. And it comes by practice, as the squeezing of the adhesive comes by practice. This is the leather grain side. And as you can see, when I am applying the fourth corner, the first corner is already ready, completely dry, ready to attach. You can see the bonding strength is very good. Because the very important point with the water-based adhesive is it has to be applied very less to get a good bonding strength. And this is the lining that I applied. It's already completely dry. And that's it. Another important thing is the cleaning of this brush is also very easy. Normally, if it is not completely dried, it can be just squeezed out like this, and it will fall like rubbery formations. You can also use this commercially available item, Kolin, which is a glass cleaner. Just take a few drops of Kolin in your hand, and it will easily clean away the adhesives from the brush. The adhesive loses its adhesion property when it comes in touch with the Kolin, so it will form as a rubber and it will fall down. That's it. The brush is ready to use for your next component apply. And in some cases, when you didn't clean the brush when it is wet, it is also we advise you to use this method, where use a needle and it will take away all the rubbery formations. That's it. Whatever left out, the dried rubber will come away. And once it's done, the cone is now ready for application. Thank you.